Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Jane Info. I hope you will be fine. This time we talk about Oscars confirms dates for 2027 and 2028 ceremonies marking 100 years of Academy Awards. Oscars will continue to be held in March for the next 2 years now below. Written by Ayushi Agarwal, journalist, updated on 8th April 2026. The Oscars have officially confirmed the schedule for airs upcoming two ceremonies, post which they will not only change the location of the event but also its streaming and broadcasting strategies. As per the latest update, the 99th edition of the ceremony, the 2027 Oscars, will be held on Sunday, 14 March. Meanwhile, the 2028 Oscars, marking the ceremony's 100th year, will be held on Sunday, March 5th. Both years, the event will begin at 7 p.m. 4 p.m. EPT. Oscars announces 2027 and 2028 dates as well as confirmed streaming move. As was previously reported, the upcoming two ceremonies will be the last years of them being held at the Dolby Theatre in Hollywood, where they have been for a long time now. The Oscars are all set to move to downtown Los Angeles' La Live complex, ending its 26-year run from 2002 onwards at the famed location. The Peacock Theatre at LA Live is also where the Primetime Emmy Awards are held every year ever since 2008. The deal has been made for a span of 10 days between the Academy of Motion Picture Arts and Sciences and AEG, as confirmed by the two organizations on 26 March 2026. Apart from the location, the viewer experience will change as the streaming rights have been handed over to YouTube, taking away the broadcasting plan from ABC. The 101st Oscars, which will take place in early possible March 2029, will be available to watch via the Red video streaming service. This brings an end to their partnership with the channel after 53 years, having aired on ABC since 1976. The deal was signed late last year and is expected to continue till at least 2033, as per the Academy of Motion Picture Arts and Sciences update in December 2025. It will be available to watch online via a free live stream on the platform. The red carpet pre-show and behind the scenes in-show content, the Oscar nominations announcement, the Governors Awards, and more benefits are a part of their conversation. I hope you will enjoy this lyrics. Have a nice